Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. Today I'm gonna sharing with you a beautiful easy birthday card tutorial. But before starting that, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any of my video. So let's get started. I will mention all the things what I am using here on the screen, so please watch the full video. And if you did not yet subscribe to my channel, please subscribe it and follow me on Instagram. The Instagram link will be in the description box, so please check it out. If you want to give a special gift to your friend but you don't have enough time to make any bigger things, then definitely you should make this because it takes little bit time and it looks perfect. So let me know at the below comment box that how much you have liked this video, and yeah, enjoy the video. So yeah, that's it for today guys. I hope you have liked this video, and if you really like this, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. And if you still did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe it and follow me on Instagram. Till then, take care. Bye bye.